I think really showing the uniqueness of the product, and that's always a challenge, but also a blessing. If you go to Toy Fair, as I do, you can walk the rows. We shut down for a couple of years, but getting back to Toy Fair, you can walk the floor for 3 or 4 hours and you'll see hundreds or thousands of manufacturers that are, I shouldn't say this, but they're selling a lot of the same things. And so the Tony
Yes.
box is genuinely a unique new product category. And so our approach is to show not just the breakthrough innovation that the Tony box provides, but the educational ramifications of being able to give a young child for the first time ever screen free, on demand library access to the world around them. And that's a very powerful opportunity, in my opinion.